Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front camera and earpiece on the new iPhone SE 2022, also known as iPhone SE 3. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and undo two bottom screws using a pentalobe screwdriver. Next, to take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Once the heating has done, use a suction cup or something similar to lift the front assembly. Next, use a plastic car pry tool for separating and loosening up rubber gaskets on the frame. Carefully work around the edges and keep in mind, do not put too much force to lift the screen. It might damage internal flex cables. Next, gently lift the screen and then remove 4 screws to take out the shield. Next, on the top right, undo 3 screws and remove the shield. Next, undo the battery, touch and LCD connectors. And then, to free the screen, disconnect the earpiece assembly unit from the board. Next, undo 3 screws to take out the earpiece bracket. Next, undo 2 screws to take out the earpiece unit. Be gentle and move cable aside while pulling out the module. Next, pull out the front camera flex by applying some heat. Gently pry the cable. Next, place the new front camera assembly and earpiece unit on the screen. Be gentle with the cable and ensure the placement. Next, place the bracket by adding 3 screws and secure the earpiece by adding 2 screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note, this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, clamp the screen to the body. First, connect the front camera assembly plug, and then connect the LCD, touch and battery connectors to the board. Next, turn on the device for verification. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 4 screws. Next, secure the upper bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the earpiece bracket by adding 2 screws. Next, place the screen on the body. To clamp up the screen, click in the top section first. Then click the sides and the bottom simultaneously. Just make sure to put pressure on the frame sides. Next, secure 2 screws on the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.